Picture a dynamic wall where attendees can showcase their expertise, highlight projects they're looking to collaborate on, discover investment opportunities, share job openings, and explore potential partnerships. That's the power of Marketplace, the feature that will make your event stand out and get noticed like never before. To get started, go to Configuration, click on Marketplace, and check the Enabled box. This gives your attendees the chance to enrich their profiles, boosting engagement and making matchmaking more effective. Knowing John Doe is a B2 match rep might make you consider a meeting. Now, imagine his expertise is listed, with presentations and case studies. You instantly see where your interests align and why a meeting matters, making it a meaningful business match that saves time and adds real value. Head to Configuration, click on Marketplace, and choose the categories that best fit your event. Hosting a job fair? Make sure job position is enabled. Click Edit next to each category to fine-tune the keywords so they align perfectly with your event. Once set up, participants can post a new Marketplace entry by going to the Marketplace page, clicking Manage Opportunities and Add New Opportunity, selecting a category, and filling in the details like title, description, and more. They will tag their post with the keywords you've set up, which act as filters on the Marketplace page. This makes it easier to search for networking partners and increases the chances of valuable connections. To manually review posts as organizers before they become visible, go to Registration Settings and enable Manually Validate Marketplace Opportunities under Marketplace Opportunity Validation. When a new post is submitted, designated organizers receive a notification to review and publish it. To make a post visible, go to Marketplace, select the entry, and click Publish. Marketplace is versatile. You can even tailor it to fit your event style by going to Configuration's Event Components, for example, renaming it to Project Ideas. For adjustments to category names or visibility and upload restrictions by participant type, contact the B2 Match team to explore available options. With your Marketplace setup, sit back and watch connections happen as attendees book meetings directly from the Marketplace page.